Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
How has the Hsinpu Township in Hsinchu County become the persimmon cake capital of Taiwan? For the past 2 centuries, the mountainous dry climate along with strong September winds has made this the ideal place for deliciously sweet persimmon cakes. From September to December, the aromatic persimmons are harvested and dried in the sun for several days. They are then flattened and left to dry for several more days before being packaged and shipped all over Taiwan.
Hello everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello 大家好，我阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Lin, Lim Zepsiu, and today we're going to probably bring you to another part of Taiwan that has a lot of Hakka culture. And 最近好像柿子这个东西很盛产的时候，对不对？
到了秋天柿子都是盛产期啊。
那我们干脆就来聊柿子好了啦，
没问题
好不好？讲到柿子，只会想到一个柿饼，
对，而且是在新浦这片。
Oh, okay. So there's a particular township you need to go to enjoy what's called persimmon cakes, and this is something that I understand that is in season right now. I've seen it a lot lately, and I want Leo to take us there. Okay, and there's a particular township that produces a lot of persimmon cakes in Taiwan. 一定要到新浦是不是？因为可能那边的天气还是什么吧，会让它更容易去盛产这个柿饼。
对，因为要做柿饼一定要那个气候要非常的刚好，因为新竹呢又有那个很有名的叫做九江风啊。
对，九江风。
对，九江风那个吹得起来呢，它干燥的时候会比较干的比较透。
OK， 其实我对柿子呢跟柿饼呢还是小有学问的
小有研究，
就知道一定要很干燥的地方。For instance, in Hsinchu, it's called the Windy City. And with the wind and the climate, you can actually sun-dry these persimmon cakes very well. 那就干脆来教这几个字好了哈。
好。
第一个是要去哪里？新浦镇。Okay, that is the Hsinpu Township. You can find persimmon cakes, 柿饼。
吃饼。
Okay, these are very tasty. You have to try it out. And it's massively produced in Hsinchu because of a wind known as 九江风.
九江风
Okay, and you have to try it because right now it's in season. 通常会到几月啊？都还可以吃到柿饼呢？
差不多柿子出产的盛产季是9月到12月。
You can enjoy the persimmon cake all the way till about December and try it out next time. It's actually available island-wide, but if you go to Hsinchu, you have to go to 新浦镇, okay? That does for today's talk about Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
安子say张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.